Alrighty, guys. Today we're going to be learning how to play Jingle Bells. Now, so far we've only used G, A, and B in our videos. I'm going to zoom in so you can see a little more. So far we've only used G, A, and B. Now we're going to start using two more notes, C and D. And to use those using your keyboard, if you want, instead of your mouse, you can play with your mouse. You can go with your mouse, but I find it easier to use the keyboard. It's that bottom row of keys right above your space bar, starting on X. Those are the notes we're using, that bottom row right above your space bar. Now, if you've never heard Jingle Bells or you don't recognize the name, I'm going to go ahead and play it for you and see if you recognize it when I play it, because some of you may not know the name or you may not have heard it, but go ahead and listen. That was Jingle Bells. Some of you may recognize it now. What we're going to do is we're going to learn a little bit of it at a time. Today, we're just going to learn the first line. So first thing we need to work on is our rhythms. You know all of these. This is a ta, and a ta, which gets two beats. But down here at the end, right here, this one with the dot you may have never seen, and also this one with the little flag. The one with the flag is a T. So it's just a T by itself. We've got TT. What we've done is we split it and separated it. So now it has a little flag. So it's a T by itself. This one is a ta T. It goes together because this gets 1.5. So it's almost the length of a ta, but it's not quite. So it's ta, ti, ta, ta, ti. So let's say the rhythms together. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, 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 ti, ta. Those rhythms are pretty easy. Let's say them one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, 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 ti, ta. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase the rhythms because we need to start working on note names instead of rhythms. For the note names, we know if we zoom in on any of these, we've got our lines. The saying for the notes on the lines are I have the eraser on. It's every good boy does fine on the line, and then in the space, it's face. F, A, C, and E for the notes in the space. That's a horrible looking E. Yeah, that's a little better. So starting here, it's on a line, and it's on the third line. 1, 2, 3. So it's every good boy. So we know that's B. And look at that. There's just a bunch of B's in a row. So I'm going to write all those in. Look, even another B. Now this one also, right here, let's look at just this measure. We've got up high, it's on a line. So we've got to start at the bottom, go every good boy does fine. So it's a D. You've got every good boy does fine. So that one's a G. This one's in the space. So we got to go F, A, C, E. So it's an A. And then right here, we've got every good boy does fine. So it's B. Let me go ahead and erase all those little dots. We don't need those. That was just to help you see where I was looking. So we've got all our note names now. So let's say note names all together, starting right over here. 1, 2, ready, go. B, 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 D, G, A, B. All right, if you find B on the piano, you'll see that you're going to be playing V on the keyboard. So we're going to start right there on that V, on that B. First two measures are really easy because it's just a bunch of B's. Just goes B, 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 B. Super easy. Try that again. Ready? B, 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 B. All right. Now for B to D, you've got to make sure you're skipping over C. So you're going to go B, D, and then G is your next note. So B, D, G. You're going to have to try that on your own a little bit. All right, then you just add in A, B. So B, D, G, A, B. Me first, then you. Now you try it. B, D, G, A, B. Go ahead and pause the video if you're having problems with that, because then you'll be able to see the notes. If you pause the video, and I want you to try and, once you've got that down, play the video again, and we'll work on the rest. All right, so we're going to put everything together. Because the first part's super easy. It's just B, 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 B. And then you're going to add the part that you had to pause and practice probably. B, D, G, A, B. So let's put it all together. I'm going to play it, and I'm going to say note names. 1, 2, ready, go. B, 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 D, G, A, B. There we go. That's all we're going to learn in this video today. You can practice that. The next time you have a music lesson posted, we're going to be working on line 2.